Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI 2018 Black Friday and Holiday Sale. We'll have that coming right up. The other day I received an email from DJI outlining their 2018 Black Friday and Holiday Sale. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. Now I'm going to put a first slide up on the screen, and what it does is we're going to talk about the dates for the sale. And what you can see here, the Black Friday sale, countries and regions. We're going to look at North America for the United States, and that's from November 18th to November the 27th. The winter holiday sale for North America, again, that's under NA, is December the 9th to January 2nd, and you can look for your applicable country and regions on your own. Now I'm going to put the next slide up on the screen, and it's going to go over the sale items that DJI has already announced. The first one is the Mavic Air Fly More combo. The retails normally for $999. It's going to be $100 off at $899. The Mavic Air, which normally sells for $799, is going to be for $699. That's $100 off. The Spark Fly More combo is going to be for $549, and that's going to sell for $459. That's $90 off. The Spark Controller combo will be normally $399, will be selling for $359, and that's $40 off. The Telo Boost combo normally sells for $149. That will sell for $99, and that's $50 off. Goggles RE normally sells for $549. That will be $449, a savings of $100. Osmo Mobile 2 normally sells for $139. That will sell for $119. That's a savings of $20. The DJI Goggles Racing combo, $779, will sell for $639. That's $140 off. And last, DJI Goggles Racing Edition and Carry More Backpack retails for $609. That will be selling for $509. That's a savings of $100 off. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description. Currently, the link will get you to a splash page with a countdown timer on it. That is for the sale, and that will be active on the dates that I had just mentioned to you. Now what's interesting, if you look on there, there are going to be 200 coupons available each day. So the sooner you get onto the website each day, if you're wanting to get something, the chances are that you can get one of those coupons. And it also lists different ways at the bottom of the screen if you want to take a look at different ways as far as bundling up some accessories and being able to save some additional money as well. And that link will be in the description. I will also make sure to put that in BillTheDroneReviewer, and that will also in both the Facebook group, Facebook page, and that will also be on Twitter as well. Question of the day: do you plan on buying a drone for someone for Christmas? If so, let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.